This is my hair. I love it. It's so like glam. It's so pretty. Hey guys, good morning. So it's another week. It's another wig. The wig that I have on right now, I gotta get it right because this is not how my wigs look. The hair actually looks really good. The lace look good. I did bleach the knots, but I didn't really pluck it. I plucked it a little bit, but lately I just like to pluck on my head a little bit more. So this is from Nadula Hair. This is your box that you'll get. Okay, so now we have on our Nadula robe. I love these when these companies send over these type of robes because it's really cute to do your hair review using their robe. It's super cute. So anywho, the wig is on my head, you guys. This is, I believe this is a 13 by 4 because it's not a lot of lace. Yeah, it's like a 13 by 4. And then it's like a little bit of lace on the side, so just like an inch or two on the side, but a 13 by 4 in the middle. But you guys know I love a flip over method, so that does not bother me. But if you do want to part your hair in so many different ways, you might want to, you know, make sure that you can do like a curved part if you want, but I'm just gonna do my little normal one too. I'm gonna just go around my hairline and pluck. So I'm gonna do this for the next probably 10 minutes, just plucking the hairline, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. But we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, y'all. Okay, you guys, so we did pluck some of the unit. I still will be plucking a lot more, but I'm gonna go ahead and glue the unit on, and then we'll pluck more once we glue the unit on. I want to keep this on for about 4 days to a week. So I'm gonna use 2 layers of glue. Yeah, I have the fan on in my room and this glue is drying so quick. So quick. But it's time to glue it on. Push it on. I'm gonna hold it like this because you want it to like melt. So yeah, it's taking me a little longer to pluck the sizes, but like I said, I like to wear my body wave really flat, so plucking is super important to me. Let's go ahead and move on, girl. I'm gonna be late for work and him plucking. I'll go in between with the scissors and the blade, because sometimes that blade, girl, you been cut so much of the lace off. That blade be blading sometimes, girl. By the time you're done, your wig is messed up because you don't cut so much of the lace off. Yeah, you want to cut majority all the lace off, but you also want to have more control. And I feel like the scissors give me more control. So, but I also love going in between with the blade too. I go between both of them. As much as possible. I even take my eyebrow archer and kind of file some of the lace down. I learned this from my homegirl who do hair. Yeah, I be wanting my lace to look as flawless as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair up with this band. As you can see, it's melted, but girl, I be liking mine to be super melted. So I'm gonna this is very crucial. The first time you melt your hair, I use like of course it comes with like the Velcro, but me, I like to like tie it in a knot just so it can melt really good. I keep this on for about, oh, this is so tight. I keep this on for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I gotta take it off. Oh yeah, that look good. Let me fix my makeup a little bit with my makeup brush. But yeah, that is pretty melted. So we'll finish this up later, y'all. I gotta go to work. It looks flawless. Okay guys, it's actually a few days later. I had a long weekend, so we finally are gonna style this unit from Nadula Hair. So what I'm gonna do is just add some curls. I'm gonna just add some loose curls, nothing too major. Look at that hairline, y'all. It looks so good. And this is like a 13x4, like I told y'all. Boom. That's a pretty girl. Jet black hair, nice soft baby curls. Girl, this is a nice length. So yeah, I'm gonna do this all the way around, y'all. It takes me like, with those curlers, with these curling irons, it only takes me like 10 minutes to curl my hair. And this goes up to 410, which is hot enough for me. Because I don't need to like be cooking my hair. I just need to curl it a little bit, period. The face is beat today, y'all. The face is a beat. So yeah, let me finish doing this all the way around, and we'll see how it looks when it's done. All right, you guys, so I just did some really like messy curls. They don't have to be super neat because I don't like my hair to be super curled. So I'm gonna just pull these curls out. You can use your finger or a comb. Perfect. Okay, so next we got to cut some layers in it because it's not gonna lay how I want it to lay. Just so the hair can frame my face. Okay, you guys, so I just put on some earrings because I'm about to get dressed. These earrings are from my company, My Hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. But this is my hair. I love it. It's so like glam. It's so pretty. So make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair. I'll leave all the links to everything down below. And let me go ahead and get dressed so I can go ahead and start my day. Bye guys. Yes, I love me a nice body wave unit. Bye.
Nadula.